Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize was instituted by founder of dynamite, that is Sir Alfred Nobel, and this is given in the field of physics, chemistry, medicine, peace, literature and economic. The first person to get the Nobel Prize is the Frenchman Frederic Passé and the Swiss Jean-Henri Dunant. Then comes the Pulitzer Prize, and this Pulitzer Prize is instituted by Joseph Pulitzer and in the year 1970, and this is given in the field of journalism, literature and music. The first one to get this Pulitzer Prize is Jean Jules Jessurand. Now after the Pulitzer Award, let's see what is Magsaysay Award. This is an award given in the field of public service, community leadership, journalism, literature, creative art and international understanding. This was instituted in the year 1957 by Ramon Magsaysay, and the first winner of this award is Vinoba Bhave, whereas the recent winner is Raja Ramesh Kumar. Now comes the Booker Prize. This is given as the highest literacy award given to author. This was instituted in the year 1968 by Booker Company and the British Publisher Association. The first one to get Booker Prize is P.H. Newby for Something to Answer For. This is the book written by P.H. Newby, and the recent winner of Booker Prize is Margaret Atwood for her book Testament and Bernardine Evaristo for her book Girl, Woman, Others. After the Booker Prize, let's see what is Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding. This is instituted in the year 1965 by Government of India to promote international understanding and goodwill among people of the world. The first winner of this award is Yu Thang, whereas the recent winner is Angela Merkel. After this, let's see what is Oscar Award. The Oscar Award was instituted in the year 1929 by the Academy of Motion Picture in USA, and this is given in the field of cinema. We all know this. The first Indian to get Oscar Award is Bhanu Athaya for his movie Gandhi, and even Satyajit Ray got Oscar Award for the Lifetime Achievement in Cinema in the year 1992. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. After the Oscar Award, let's see what is Mahatma Gandhi Peace Prize. It is given by Government of India for international peace, and this was instituted in the year 1995. The first winner of Mahatma Gandhi Peace Prize is Julius Nyerere, whereas the latest winner is Yohei Sasakawa. Now comes the Bharat Ratna. We all know this is the highest civilian award in India. This was instituted in the year 1954 by Government of India. The first recipient of Bharat Ratna is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, that is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, whereas the latest recipient of Bharat Ratna is Pranab Mukherjee, Bhupen Hazarika and Nanaji Deshmukh. After Bharat Ratna, the second highest civilian award given by Government of India is Padma Vibhushan, and the first recipient of Padma Vibhushan were Satyendranath Bose, Nandalal Bose, Zakir Hussain, Balasaheb Gangadhar Kher, V.K. Krishna Menon and Jigma Dorji Wangchuk, and the latest recipient is George Fernandez. After Padma Vibhushan comes the Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. These are third and the fourth highest civilian award given by Government of India. Then comes Bharatiya Janpith Award. This was instituted in the year 1961, and the first award was given in the year 1965 by cultural organization, that is Bharatiya Janpith, and this is given in the field of Indian literacy. The first winner of this is G. Sankara Kurup, whereas the latest winner is Akitham Achuthan Nambuthiri. After this, let's see what is Sahitya Akademi Award. Sahitya Akademi Award is given for exclusive writing in any 22 languages including English. R.D. Birla Award and Dhanvantri Award are given in the field of medical sciences, whereas Arjuna Award is given in the field of sports, that is special achievement in different type of sports. Then comes the Dronacharya Award. This is given to the coaches of various sports. After Dronacharya Award, let's see what is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is presented for commendable display by the player that is in the field of sport, and the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is Vishwanatha Anand, whereas the latest recipient is Deepa Malik and Bajrang Punia. And last but not the least, it's Gallantry Award, and they are Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Veer Chakra and Asoka Chakra. In this, for Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra are wartime award, whereas Asoka Chakra is a peacetime award. And out of this, Paramveer Chakra is the India's highest award for bravery in wartime, and Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra is second highest and the third highest respectively. Then comes the Asoka Chakra. This is the highest peacetime award, that is highest peacetime gallantry award. So this is it. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also have all the previous year paper of SSC exams like SSC, CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.